Hi, I am Dr. Muhammad Imran. I am working as scientific officer. Today we will discuss about the determination of calcium and magnesium in water. This is very simple flowchart for the determination of calcium plus magnesium in water. Here are some solutions that we have to prepare before the determination of calcium and magnesium. First of all, dissolve 67.5 gram ammonium chloride in 570 ml concentrated ammonia solution and make the volume 1 liter. Then this is our buffer solution. After that we have to prepare EBT indicator. For this we have to take 0.5 gram Irochrome black tea with 4.5 gram hydroxylamine hydrochloride in 100 ml 95% ethyl alcohol or ethanol. After that we have to prepare EDTA solution, 0.01 normal EDTA solution. For this we have to take 2 gram EDTA plus 0.05 gram magnesium chloride 6 hydrated in distilled water and bring to 1 liter. For this if we prepare 0.01 normal EDTA solution, we have to standardize is for accurate analysis of water. If we have calcium chloride, then we have 0.5 gram calcium chloride in 10 ml of approximately 3 normal HCl and dilute to volume of 1 liter. 3 normal mean 3 normality. For this if we use 25 ml HCl, then 75 ml would be water. And if we don't have calcium chloride, then we use calcium chloride 2 hydrated. For this preparation method will be different. Chemical weight would be changed. For this we have to take 0.735 gram calcium chloride 2 hydrated. Other is same 10 ml of 3 normal HCl and make the volume 1 liter. These are the chemical formulations. Then from right 10 ml of water in china dish by graduated cylinder. After that we put 10 ml of buffer solution and then 3 to 4 gram of EBT, and then titrate it against 0.01 normal EDTA solution from wine red to bluish green color. And calcium magnesium would be determined as how much we use EDTA solution for titration. And the next step is will be discussed in our next video. If we don't have this standard solution, how we would use to standardize the EDTA solution. Thank you for watching this video.